Hey everybody, Bama Cooley here, and today I got something really special. AWE reached out to me and they sent me the new AWE exhaust for the Generation 3 Raptor. It will drop on December the 18th, but they sent it to me and I brought it down here to my friends at Worth Exhaust, and I'm sitting here with Adam and we're about to install this. Adam, what can you tell me a little bit? I know you've installed a lot of exhausts. What can you tell me a little bit about AWE and, you know?
I've done a few of the kits. I haven't done a whole lot of them. I don't know. I'm trying to think if I've done one on the Raptor yet. I'm not sure. I know I haven't done one on one of these.
Yeah.
So, but they usually sound good.
Well, this is the new Gen 3. It's supposed to be a straight bolt-on. So we're going to stay here today. We're going to be here with Adam. We're going to film it so you can see everything. And then I'll go over some of the facts about the new exhaust. And as soon as it's on, we'll crank it up, see how it sounds, and maybe get some drive-bys with it and see how it goes. So,
I know it'll sound good.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Well, that's what the exhaust is called, the AWE SwitchPath.
Yeah.
So, okay, yeah, so just they call it there.
Okay. Now we're putting on the exhaust.
Yeah, this is muffler here. And
muffler.
I think there'll be a little section with the valves and stuff, and then the tailpipe.
Yeah.
One nice thing I think about this kit is it actually comes with new valves and everything.
Yeah.
Most of the kits you gotta take the old valves off and change them out. I thought that was good.
I imagine what made it really difficult on them is the fact that these Gen 3s come with that adjustable exhaust.
Yeah.
You know, because I mean, when you go quiet, when you adjust it on the steering wheel and make it go quiet, it completely closes those valves off and shuts down. You can't even hardly hear it. What are we screwing on now?
This is another one of the exhaust valves.
Yeah.
But it looks like this one, it's got the one right there already. This one's kind of just like a dummy one to keep the check engine light coming on from what I'm gathering.
Right.
See, it don't actually hook to nothing in there.
Yeah.
So I think it's just, you plug it back in the factory harness.
Kind of grounds it.
Yeah.
It keeps the check engine.
Yeah, keep the computer happy.
So far, how's everything fitting?
So far, it's really good. Let's see.
I was about to say, I'm not going to be going down the road or hitting bumps and hearing a bunch of rattling, am I?
No, not so far at all. It all fits good. It's been really good. How long you had this truck?
Since September of 22. Those things are huge compared to the ones that were on it.
Yeah, they're way bigger. They ought to fit the truck better.
That's awesome looking. They look a lot better too.
Yeah, I like the black.
Yeah, they got them a lot bigger.
They look like they're gonna fit. Like everything's gonna be pretty straight, which I gotta I ain't tightened anything down.
Right.
I get it all in there and then adjust everything and tighten it down.
I really appreciate y'all's help with this.
It is a really nice kit. I'll give them that.
Looks like they made it fairly simple,
Yeah.
or as simple as it can be.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It probably wouldn't be that hard to do without instructions.
All right, everybody, you've seen the install. There was no cutting. It was straight bolt on. It even has the switches in there to enable it so that you don't get any ECUs going off, and it's able to work with the adjustable valve so you can go quiet, sport, Baja, whatever you want. And I absolutely love it. I've had it on for a couple days now since the install. And when I'm driving around town here, of course, I got it in Baja. I'm gunning it. It sounds amazing. It sounds a lot better than the factory, and I couldn't be more happier. I went to Nashville, Tennessee on Saturday and drove back Sunday, and I turned it on silent while I was on the highway doing 85 and really couldn't hear it. It was a good drive, didn't hear that constant drone, and it was absolutely amazing. I'm very thankful to AWE for considering me to be able to put this on the truck. I absolutely love it, like I said, and I hope this is many more collaborations to come, but they've definitely treated me right and gave me a nice t-shirt. This is 50 state compliant. It does have the bespoke switch path, which allows, to change the valves, like I mentioned earlier, and everything that you could think of that you would want in a new exhaust system to make sure that it fits within the factory system, they have thought of. Of course, no CEL, lifetime warranty, fit perfect placement guarantee. They've pretty much thought of everything on this. It does have the catback 3-inch exhaust, also 5-inch double wall tips that you can either get in silver chrome or diamond black. I chose the diamond black, and these things look amazing, especially with the silver on my truck and the black everywhere else. Also has AWE written across. And as far as performance goes, you do get a small uptick, like maybe 2 to 4 horsepower and 5 to 7 pound-feet of torque from the dyno, but I have a feeling if you got a tune set up with the exhaust, you'll probably get a lot more gains. So, like I said, I couldn't be more happier. I highly recommend it. This goes on sale December the 18th on AWE's website. Definitely, if you have a Gen 3 Raptor EcoBoost and you want to take it to the next level and how it sounds and make it sound a lot better than factory and closer to what you're normally expecting from a V8, definitely get this exhaust system. So, it has my recommendation. And again, I want to thank AWE for helping me out and considering me for this. And like I said, if you catch yourself in a remote place or even in the middle of the city and you got a nice exhaust system on your vehicle, go ahead and give the business, enjoy the sound, and have a good time with it. We'll talk to y'all later.